Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a logo to your Wix website. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. As you can see, I have 3 websites inside this Wix account, and the one where I want to add a logo is this one. It's an iPhone blog. First, click on Edit Site button. A new window opens up. This is Wix website editor, or simply Wix editor. As you can see, my website or this website has a simple text logo. So first I will delete these 2 text elements using my delete button on the keyboard. Now to add a logo here, simply click on add elements, select image, then upload and import. Then click on this little arrow next to upload images. Click on upload from computer. Let's say this is the logo that I want to use. Double click it and it will start uploading to Wix. Now that my logo is uploaded. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. That's it. My logo is uploaded completely to Wix. Click on add to page, resize it just like that, and place it in this old text logo. Now let's publish these changes and view my website live. And this is my new logo. Let's visit another page of my website. This is a blog post. As you can see, my new logo is appearing on all of my Wix pages. And this is how to add a logo to a Wix website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.